Hello, welcome to Law and Other TV. I am Anima. In this session, I'll be considering a question. Can you institute a criminal proceeding against someone out of malice or vengeance? No, you cannot, because that would amount to malicious prosecution. And you see, litigation in all its intent and purposes is for settling of disputes and dealing with people who have committed a criminal offense or a civil wrong. And the law seeks to strike a balance or puts limitation on the extent to which litigation can be undertaken by members of the society, because there is bound to be an abuse of this process. It is for this reason that we have the thought of malicious prosecution. So malicious prosecution is where the defendant institutes a criminal proceeding or a civil action against the plaintiff without reasonable cause, which terminates in favor of the plaintiff and usually amounts to a damage to the plaintiff's reputation, property, or person. And any person who suffers malicious prosecution can in turn bring an action, a civil action, against the parties who instituted or initiated his criminal proceeding or criminal prosecution. So, malicious prosecution is regarded as a tort, and here the plaintiff can sue to obtain damages, monetary damages, or compensation for the cost he incurred in having to defend himself in the malicious prosecution. And you see, the law seeks to strike a balance between two public policies. One, it safeguards the rights of citizens against malicious prosecution, unjustifiable actions. And the second policy is that the law encourages citizens and law enforcement officers to proper administration of justice. So it is wrong for anyone out of malice or vengeance to institute a criminal proceeding against an individual without cause, without probable reason. You cannot just come up and institute an action against another individual, because that person can sue you and obtain damages. So a landlord cannot sue his tenant or frame up a criminal case against his tenant in order to secure his tenant's eviction from the premises. That is going to amount to malicious prosecution. So anyone who wants to take another person to court must have a reasonable cause of action. You cannot just frame up a criminal case against someone else, because that is wrong and the law frowns against it. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I am Anima and this is Law and Other TV. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much.